because gaiety does not please me as much as it should, and I see that my song would not please. I restrain myself and keep silent many times when I would like to sing, and when I have completely given up, love teaches me that I must increase your praises, lady, in singing. That is why I often sing my song. I consider myself well repaid for the pain I used to suffer, because you deign by your courtesy merely to allow that I speak well of you. And if you gave me even greater favors, be silent, for it is pride and folly to ask for so much, and I cannot do so without harm. I know that this hope alone is great arrogance, because no joy so honored would be fitting for me. Yet if one judged rightly, true friendship should help me more than wealth. For a poor man who humbly serves should find help sooner than the rich man with haughty looks. But I so fear your high rank that I ask nothing of you. Yet I would be bold enough that if you gave to me unasked, I would gladly take it and double my thanks. For it is twice the worth to do good and honor where it is needed, before one is asked or begged. Beautiful Lady Noel, that a gift one greatly desires would be worth 1,000 times more if it were given quickly, and if one delayed too long. For he who gives promptly makes his thanks greater, and he who does not give promptly is not so well thanked, yet it cost him just as much. But I am one who will peacefully be as grateful for the waiting as if I were receiving, and for a familiar gift I will accept the refusal in good part. But it would be much more beautiful if you would bring me help before love kills me by force, languishing in hope, in suffering and desire. Lord Amori, your praise improves every day, and therefore in singing I advance your good worth.